Schwa, a quick, relaxed, neutral vowel. This neutral vowel sound is found in unstressed syllables. About, taken, pencil, gallop, supply. But, run, sun, stuff, hunt, love. Again, occur, pigeon, ago, Sunday, money, beautiful, comfortable. A dog, an apple. Night and day, simple but important. Yes and no. Can, I can do it. Could, the accident could have been avoided. Does, what does she do? Would, the car that had it. Of, what have you been? Should, you should have told me. Was, it was a good idea. Would you believe it? The movie starts at 8. Tell me about it. This gift is for you. He's in front of me. She's going to school. I like her. She lives by herself. Tell him I'm busy. Please help us. The glass is broken. Push the button. What has happened? Take the lesson. Please listen to me. It is written in English.